there, fellow wanderers. Welcome back to the Wandering Gypsy RV Life. I'm here with Tony of Precision RV, and they're working today on Bertie Bea and a whole bunch of Bertie Bea issues. Tony, tell me what we're doing on the roof with the strip and reseal.
So what we're doing on our roofs is that we go and we take all the caulk off all the way down to the fiberglass, which everybody, it averages about 10 years. If you're in Arizona, it's out in the sun, might be an 8-year mark. If it's climate controlled inside out of the sun, it could be 12. But we encourage you to check that every year. And probably every 10 years we do that. We replace it with the CSL white self-leveling. That's all we use, what we use at the factory. And in that, we strip all the caulking off. We put brand new caulking down and brand new skylight. And we have you stay inside the building. We have to let it cure. A lot of different things. That's what we're doing, is stripping the caulk completely off the roof and putting brand new caulk in there.
Great. And we were talking this morning when I showed you the slide rollers are indenting the floor. Tell me what we're going to try to do there to solve that problem.
So the slide rollers, we have a couple of different things. One, we can change those out if they're where we can. We clean them and we clean the troughs. We recommend doing it annually. We've seen where those rollers go out and they go into what we call the trough. It's dirt embedded in there, or it's debris, and it embeds in those Teflon rollers. So if you can keep that clean, it helps prolong that marking of the floor. We also have the special tape that we've been using, kind of experimental thing. There's really not a 100% fix, but some things we can do to try to help with the morphing and the scarring on the floor.
Great. I come to Precision because the Precision boys do a great job, and I appreciate everything they've done for Bertie Bea. Thank you again for tuning in to the Wandering Gypsy RV Life.